What to buy for Santa's birthday?
Yes!
This time we will giving gift even better than Thurko and Varzun. Really?
Oh, Varzun. See this? What a beautiful girl.
Yes.
Hello, boys.
Yes!
Do you both know which street Santa lives in?
Yes!
Come with me.
I don't understand.
What I getting gifts today? I'm so excited.
Where do we go first?
First we go to the grocery store.
I need 10 kilograms fish, 10 kilograms mutton, 10 kilograms chicken, 10 kilograms beef.
Wow!
Any party, Shardy?
Yes, Santa birthday party.
Nice.
Thank God. All work complete.
Yes.
Rocky and Moni is wearing old clothes today.
Poor peoples.
Today, I'm very happy. I would like that Varzun came to the stage and performed something for me. Please welcome Varzun.
Today, I am singing on this happy occasion. This song is specially for Tara Conlon.
What?
Love can touch us one time and last for a lifetime and never let go till we're gone. Love was when I loved you one true time. I hold you in my life, will always go on.
Come on, this guy was singing for someone else. But this time, the person who is now comes will sing for me on stage. Please welcome Thurko.
Hello, Tara. Today, I will sing a song especially for Tara.
And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong. Every word I say is true. This I promise you. Every word I say is true. This I promise you. This I promise you.
After party.
How do you feel about my song?
Honestly, your song was great, Uncle.
Hello, Tara. How do you feel about my song?
Your song was also very good, brother.
Quiet.